activity, because if the contract ab initio were to have been implemented, it would have added a lot of value in the power sector, in the gas flaring issue, and every other issue that encompasses the essence of that contract. That shows our insensitivity to real cause of what governance is all about. So the present government not to have shown the required cognitive import of ensuring during the 2017 year that it is still within the lifespan of the present administration. So whatever the Attorney General is stating is more or less a complicity negligence. So for us, the only way out is for us to explore an ambience, and it's an ambience of appeal for settlement out of court, because definitely there is a judgment, definitely the judgment is binding on us. So the only way is for us to look at how can we even implement this contract that brought us in this transaction. Is this still possible? Because you are claiming for damages of an investment sum, of an expected profit, and for benefit of doubt, this contract itself, there is a dual breach, but the fundamental breach, which is our own from the Nigerian point, is to lay the pipes to make sure that they create that enabling environment for them to now commence their own action. So we, for not doing or not committing that, is a breach of contract. So, but it started as an arbitration, and that is where this fault comes in now.
Okay, so from your analysis, are you saying that we do not have any other options? From what the government is saying, it hopes to appeal the ruling now of the British court order. So what other options do you think we can explore to defend our interests here?
If it were to be in our own climate, we would have foreseen how best we can resolve this. But this is now an international law. So it is going to now require the government of United Kingdom and US for them to look at, the implication, because the implication is where our appeal must go. So the government needs to call a spade a spade. Let the government firstly apologize to Nigerians for making us go through this hell. Because if this armor is slammed on us, where we are crying now, we might be beneath the hell. So for us, there is a need for a joint effective mechanism to appease that company that, call international leader. We are in a more or less in a situation of war, an economic war. So if this war is allowed to succeed, it is not about the Attorney General looking for who to blame or who to prosecute. That will be just beating a dead horse. So we cannot survive on that premise. So the only thing that is required now is negotiation.
All right,
let that negotiation comes in, and let's look at an harmonious way of
Thank you very much, Oladotun Hassan, for your insights on TVC News.
It's a pleasure.